Hello and welcome to the bedroom. I'm just sort of taking inventory on things I have. I'm looking through the chips on the Blue Bezel machine. So here, definitely a bad 6520 chip. And here is a bad Blue Bezel screen RAM from the left. So that's bad. What do we have here? Oh, we have 5 good 6550 RAM chips. So that is good. What do we have here? We have 4 good 6550 RAM chips. Hey Google, stop. Now we have a 6502 chip. It's good. Good. What now? Oh, good. 4 6550 RAM chips. Good. What's in here? 6520 chips. Blue Bezel. Okay. What's it say? Oh yeah, they were okay in the chiclet machine. What is this? 6520 Blue Bezel. Good. Okay, what is this? Oh, good. 6550 Blue Bezel screen RAM. Alright, I see another bag here. I do. Oh, 6540. Oh, yeah. Blue Bezel. Okay. So, in order to test this machine, we do need. Oh, no. I do need to turn this machine off while I'm recording inside here. So, I need things. 6520 chips. Okay, so there's 2 of them. There's a 6522. Interesting. I have 2 good 6520s out of this machine. So it may be that actually that 6520 that was bent may not have been from this machine. May have been from Dusty Rusty Crusty. Alright, so that is all the chips there. Let me look over here and see. 6522. Okay, I think what I have here, it doesn't really matter, but I think the 6520 chip that I fixed the pin on was actually from DRC. Okay. I believe. Alright, so in order to test this Blue Bezel machine, I need to put in 1, 2, 3. Well, I can do it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 chips. And here is the thing that I wonder about doing. I'm going to have to steal a chip or something out of here because I think I am missing things. I certainly have enough green RAM. And I have a 6522. That's good. And yeah, there's RAM. And the 6540 goes away in the back. And the 6520s are good. And the 60. Oh, wait a second here. What is this? Oh, yeah, 6522. Okay, that goes in the back. 6502 goes there. It's funny. I don't know what I've done. I know I had some bad RAM chips from this machine. I know it. Well, there's one. Maybe there was just one. I think I was pretty careful. Anyway, the thing that torments me now is do I want to take the chips that I know are working out of this machine and put them in the other one, knowing that indeed they are fine and that this machine worked with them? Or do I want to go for the other ones that I've tested and they're all supposedly good, but each time you take a chip in and out, there's the risk that you could screw something up. There is, and I really don't want to screw things up. Mind you, I've taken these chips in and out a bunch of times. I have. And with the, what is this thing? I gotta get rid of that little thing there. With this other machine here, I've never actually seen it work, but I've never really been able to check for what chips are good and bad. So, do I yank all these chips? And of course, here's the thing. If I don't do that, and use all chips that I know are good for absolutely sure and make this machine run, if something doesn't work, I'm probably going to want to do it anyway. Probably. I will. Oh, the torment. The torture. What to do, what to do, what to do. You know, I think, as tormenting as it is, I think I'm going to put the chips that are in the Blue Bezel machine in the little bags in, I think. So what I'm going to do right now is reposition. If I can. This may be difficult, but I think I can do it. I think what I have to do, actually I'm going to put this just gently inside this pet for a moment. I'm going to tweak the Blue Bezel pet, and then I'm going to aim this in here. Now the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off for a second. I have this magic light here. It's an LED thing, and it has a magnet thing, which of course I don't like using around things, but here's what I can do. I can turn this on. I can put it inside the metal pet, and it shines down and lights things up very, very well. This I find pleasing. So, let's get started. It shouldn't be that onerous. It should not. Or will it? You know what? I'm just looking. Pet main logic assembly. Copyright 1977 Commodore International. Oh. You know what? At this instant, I think I'm going to do one other thing here. I'm going to see if I can do this. See, this Blue Bezel machine, it has something in it that others do not. It has in it this thing. I zoom some more. I can't. Okay, so I believe that to be an extra video circuit. I believe it to be. And it has on it a connector that I remember seeing on CB radios. And I think it would have let an instructor show the class what they were doing. And if I scroll over a little bit, and perhaps aim down ever so gently, you can see that this has wires. Most of them connect right around here. But there's one that swings in just, let me get my little pointer. There's one wire that goes here. Just right there. And I really haven't investigated this at all. I have not. But I do want to figure out what it is. There doesn't seem to be tons to it. But, you never know, At least I think that's what it was. I really haven't had a chance because, of course, this machine hasn't been working to see if this would give a composite output. I don't know. At minimum, what I will do at some point is probably, because I'm assuming this machine, well, we'll see if it works, we'll see if it doesn't. Anyway, I suspect I'll try and get close-up pictures, or perhaps I will take it out after very carefully documenting everything about it and letting Rudy from Rudy's Retro Intel have a look at it to see what he can see and see what he can figure. Because he is the maker of the Pet Companion, which is a similar device to, I think, this, to help me to look at the output from a PET on a composite monitor and with other adapters, other monitors. So at this moment, I think I'm going to gather my courage and sort through chips and see what I've got, and then populate this board and see what's what, because I guess this is really the best chance at figuring this out, because there were bad things in here, and you never know what bad chips are going to make a machine do nothing. So let's back out a bit and turn down. So stay tuned. By the way, this mass of cardboard stuff here, I don't know why it's there, but I'm suspecting that maybe this had some other board in there, basically glued on. And why, I don't know. Like the Dusty Rusty Crusty thing has another board that has a thing that goes to something, but there's no something for it to go to. It has this other power thing. Anyway, we'll see. Anyway, thanks for coming. I'm going to gather my courage and see. I have a bad feeling that when I populate this machine as best as I can, that it still isn't going to work. And that will be sad, but I must try. So we'll see you tomorrow, back in the pet room. Bye for now.